Alright, now in my other ones, like I've always said, this looks new, but it looks like, hopefully it wasn't conductive. But it was really just running hot, so it was firing fine. Hopefully I can just get all this junk out of here. Just trying to make sure nothing's interconnecting the little resistors and whatnot in there. Alright, let's clean it with a little isopropyl alcohol. Get any excess residue off of there. Looks like I gotta change out my rag pretty soon. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's clean off the heatsink. Alright, now we'll just check it, make sure the heatsink looks pretty clean, which it does. Has one little broken fin, but that's not a big deal. Maybe I can reattach that. Oh, cool. Alright, yeah, it actually looks pretty good, other than that. Alright, well, now I'll add a little